We're continuing our road trip through the Balkans with Bindi in tow, and our next stop is Croatia. We've never been to Croatia before, so we're really excited to check it out. We're starting off along the sea in Opatija. Stay tuned to discover this beautiful destination with us. Welcome to Turks Who Eat. We're Alex and Mehmet, a couple who loves to travel and eat. We also bring our dog, Bindi, along with us for as many adventures as possible. We love traveling, and eating local foods tends to be the highlight of our travels. We love to discover the local dishes and learn how to make them ourselves. Follow along with us as we explore the world, discover local foods, and attempt to recreate them. Opatija is located on the northeastern part of the Istrian Peninsula along the Adriatic Sea. Opatija first became famous during the Hapsburg Era as a place for royals and elites to take wellness vacations. The Hapsburgs' influence on this town is very obvious. The coastline is full of grand villas with well-manicured gardens. Today, many of these old villas have been repurposed into hotels or cultural institutions. The natural beauty of the coastline can quickly put you at ease. It may sound odd, but walking is the main activity in Opatija. The coastline is bordered by a scenic seafront promenade called the Lungomare. The Lungomare stretches for about 12 kilometers, and you can easily spend a few hours walking along its windy pathway, stopping frequently to take in the views or refuel with coffee at a scenic spot. A popular stop along the Lungomare is the Villa Angiolina, a 19th century mansion surrounded by meticulously manicured gardens. Villa Angiolina's grounds were originally landscaped into a beautiful garden with exotic plants and rare species imported from around the world. The villa and its gardens quickly became a popular gathering for European aristocrats, intellectuals, and artists. Since we're here in the winter, the garden isn't as colorful as it normally would be, but there are still beautiful paths to wander down and explore. Since Villa Angiolina played such an important role in making Opatija an important destination, the building is used today as the Croatian Museum of Tourism. Another famous stop along the Lungomare is the statue of a maiden with a seagull. The statue was created by Croatian sculptor Zvonko Kar as a symbol of Opatija's beauty and serenity, and is seen as an iconic emblem of present-day Opatija. Continuing to walk along the Lungomare, you'll find many small inlets for sunbathing and swimming, small ports and boating areas, as well as a number of restaurants and cafes with panoramic sea views. Coffee is an important part of Croatian culture, and there are a number of beautiful spots to stop and enjoy a leisurely coffee while taking in Opatija's natural beauty. We stopped at the patio terrace of the Amadria Park Hotel for some coffee and pastries. Admittedly, this is one of the pricier and more touristic spots along the promenade, but the beautiful setting made it totally worthwhile. They also warmly welcomed Bindi, which makes them a winner in our book. Opatija is very proud of its famous residents and visitors. It even has its own Walk of Fame, which honors individuals whose contributions have contributed to the prominence of Croatia. In addition to the Walk of Fame, there's also a Wall of Fame, highlighting people who have either visited or were born in Opatija. There are also a number of statues around town. Most of these statues don't have much information about who they are, but we assume they are important individuals to the area. Given its location, there is plenty of fresh seafood in Opatija, but there are plenty of other options as well. Istria is well known for its truffles, and there are tons of dishes featuring black truffles on restaurant menus, which of course we had to order. One night I had a delicious mushroom pasta dish topped with plenty of black truffle. We had some truffle pizza, and also a beef carpaccio with a rich truffle cream. We're going to attempt to recreate the truffle pasta in an upcoming video, so keep an eye out for that. We found this area to be very dog-friendly. We had no problems at all eating in restaurants with Bindi or bringing her along with us. The only thing to call out is that there are many off-leash dogs around the area, so if you have a more reactive dog who doesn't like to be randomly approached, this could be a problematic place. Overall, Opatija is a lovely place, and it's easy to see why it has a reputation for being a relaxing seaside destination. We hope you enjoyed learning more about it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe to see where we're headed next.